We're going to move on to our vocabulary mastery. This is on page 53 in your book. You may not can see that at the bottom right now, but we have vocabulary words. We should be very, very familiar with these. We have your tenths, we have tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. And we have expanded form, which we've discussed. We'll get into that a little bit more as we go on in this unit. Digit, equal, you know what a decimal point is, decimal number, comparing. Okay, so what you're going to do is you can just look at what I have if you would like, but this is a Freyer model. You've got the word that's on the inside is less than. You're giving an example, you're giving a symbol that it stands for, and then you're writing its definition right below. And the less than definition is the symbol used to compare two numbers when the smaller number is on the left. And then we have on this one greater than. An example would be 2 4/10 is greater than 2 375 thousandths. And I think we've begun to understand that just because this has more digits on this side, it doesn't mean that it's greater. What we could do is we could annex a couple zeros right here, because now this is 400 thousandths and that's 375 thousandths. I did not change the value by annexing those zeros at the end. Okay, same thing back with this one. 2 1/10 is less than 2 1500ths. If I annex the zero right there, that would be now 10 hundredths versus 1500ths. The next part says, why is it useful to remember the symbols for greater than and less than? And this is what we have. It says use of the greater than and less than symbols allows comparisons between numbers to be communicated precisely. Okay, so there may be times with mathematical situations where you have to be able to communicate them completely. This last one I'm going to let you do on your own. It says, what other representations can you create to show the meanings of vocabulary terms or what they mean? Could you draw pictures? Surely you could. All right, very good.